So the connections that you have here are the coil, or they're not the coil, but the resistor. And then they come over and plug into the lower board. Now when you buy a new lower board, or when you get a new lower board, it comes with this board attached already. So to change this board, you've got to remove a screw right here on the lower board. And then this one, the black wire, unplugs. Now when you order the board, you only get the green circuit board, you don't get the bracket. And then to plug it back in. And then we want to put our screw back in for the positive line. Now this is 400 volts DC, so you've got to be careful on this right here. You got to make sure the unit's powered down, because you do not want to get hit with 400 volts DC. That would hurt very much. And then we're going to plug the ground wire in. Like so.